Let's solve the equation 3x minus 5 is equal to square root of 12x plus 1. It is a radical equation due to the presence of this radical sign. Okay. Now on the left hand side we have 3x minus 5 and on the right hand side square root of 2x plus 1. So to solve, to find the value of x, the best thing is get rid of the square root. That is done by squaring on both sides. So we are going to square the left hand side, that is 3x minus 5 whole square, and on the right hand side square root of 12x plus 1 whole square. So this radical sign, that is, it is nothing but to the power of 1/2 cancels out with 2, so you are left with only 12x plus 1 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you have 3x minus 5. This 3x minus 5 is a special product, like a minus b whole squared is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 3x minus 5 whole square is equal to a square means 3x square. That will give you 9x square. 3 times 3 is 9x square minus 2ab, that is 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times x 6x times 5, that is 30x plus b square means plus 5 square 25. That is the product, this 3x minus 5 whole square. Otherwise, if we don't remember this formula right away, just do 3x minus 5. Either way it is fine, you don't have to worry about it. 3x minus 5 times 3x minus 5, and on the right hand side 12x plus 1. Now let us use distributive property to multiply those two binomials. 3x times 3x is 9x square. 3 times 3 9, x times x square, and minus plus positive and negative give negative. 3x times 5 is 15x, and this negative times positive 3x, 5 times 3x will be 15x, and negative 5 times negative 5 gives us 25, positive 25, and on the right hand side it is 12x plus 1. Now let us simplify by combining the like terms. We have 9x square minus 15x is that minus 30x plus 25 is equal to 12x. Let me write 12x plus 1. See, on the left hand side you have the same thing, 9x square minus 30x plus 25. Using that formula a minus b whole square, you had the same thing. Okay, now coming back here, on the right hand side I'm seeing 12x plus 1. We want to cancel it off so that all the terms will be on the left hand side in a standard form, like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is a standard form of a quadratic equation, and then from there you can solve it by using any method. So now, how do you cancel this 12x on the right hand side? Just subtract 12x. If I take away 12x on the right hand side, I'll do the same on the left hand side. So that is minus 12x. And we are going to do this 1 also. Let us just cancel off 1. Subtract 1 on the right hand side. So subtract 1 on your left hand side also. We did the same thing on both sides, left and right. Okay, now bring down 9x square minus 30x and minus 12x is minus 42x. Both are negative. You add it and have the negative sign. And this 25 minus 1 is 24. It's a positive 24. And on the right hand side, 12x minus 12x is 0 and 1 is 0. Right, this is in the standard form of a quadratic equation like ax square plus bx plus c. Here, a is 9, 9x square minus 42x plus 24 is equal to 0. Right, so now we have to solve this. In order to solve, we can get the factors, find the factors, or complete the square, or the best thing is, I think, you can make use of this quadratic formula. In this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, to find the value of x, the formula is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let us identify what is the value of a, b and c in this equation. We have a is equal to 9, b is 42 with a negative sign, so negative 42, and c is equal to 24. Let us substitute the values of this a, b, c in that formula, quadratic formula. So x equal to negative b. Negative b means in the formula you have a negative sign. Negative of negative 42 plus or minus square root of b square, that is negative 42 square minus 4ac. 4 is there in the formula, this 4, that a is equal to 9 and c is 24. So in order to avoid confusion, you can even put that in parentheses. 4 times 9 times 24, and in the denominator you have 2 is there in the formula, times a. 2 times a, that is a is 9. 2 times 9. We substituted the values of a, b and c from this quadratic equation. 9x square minus 42x plus 24 equal to 0. In the given formula, x equal to negative b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we will handle these numbers. X is equal to negative of negative 42 gives positive 42 plus or minus square root. These numbers, let us enter them in the calculator. Let me go there to calculator. Yeah, turn it on. We have 42 square, negative 42 it is, negative 42 on squaring minus 4 times 9 times 24 will give us 900. So here it is, this thing. Inside the radical sign we have negative 42 square minus 4 times 9 times 24 is 900. And right here 9 hundreds, and in the denominator 2 times 9 gives you 18. Okay, so x is equal to 42 plus or minus, let me write again, x is equal to 42 plus or minus square root of 900 is 30, because 30 times 30 is 900, and the denominator it is 18. This plus or minus sign, now that plus or minus sign is telling me that I have to add this 30 to 42 one time, and second time I have to subtract 30. So x is equal to 42 plus 30 over 18, and x is equal to 42 minus 30 divided by 18. Okay, that is x is equal to 42 plus 30 is 72 over 18, which is equal to 4. 72 divided 18 is 4, because 18 times 4 is 72. And this here x equal to, on subtraction, 42 minus 30 is a 12. 12 over 18, and it is a fraction. I'm saying 12 and 18. Greatest common factor is 6. 6 divides 2 times, and 6 divides 3 times. The top and bottom, that is 2 is remaining on the numerator, and in the denominator you are left with 3. So these are the two values for x. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2 over 3. Those are the two answers, or the solutions for this radical equation. 3x minus 5 is equal to square root of 12x plus 1. So now we have to verify that these two solutions are true, like they are valid, they are not extraneous. That thing I have to check. Right, let us substitute x equal to 4 and then x equal to 2/3. Now this x is equal to 4, so 3 times 4 minus 5 is equal to square root of 12 times 4 plus 1. Now on the left hand side, 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. This is 12 minus 5 is 7. That's right. And on the right hand side, 12 times 4 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49 with the square root. So 7 is equal to square root of 49. This is 9. Square root of 49 is how much? 7. 7 and 7 are same. 7 is equal to 7 is a true statement. Therefore, x equal to 4 is a true solution. That is correct. Now, let us substitute 2/3. Let me take x equal to 2/3 for this. So let us separate. Now x is equal to 2/3. Alright. 3 times 2/3 minus 5 is equal to square root of 12 times 2/3 or 2/3 plus 1. Now let us calculate what is the left hand side value. This easily 3 and 3 is going up, so we're left with 2 minus 5, or you can even think 3 times 2 is 6, 6 divided 3 is 2. Anyway, it's fine. In the same way here, 24 divided 3 is 8, or you can say 3 cancels 3 one time, that is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1. And this is square root. Now what is 2 minus 5? From 5 take away 2, that is 3. And bigger number is -7, so minus of -3. And this is square root of 9. So -3 is equal to the square root of 9 is 3. See, beside this radical sign, in the given problem, nothing is given to us. So it is telling us that you are looking for only the positive value. They are not saying plus or minus. Therefore, the square root of this 9 is 3. But on the left hand side, you have -3, which is not a true statement. Therefore, x equal to 2/3 is not a solution. It is an extraneous solution. Only one answer we have, that is the value of x equal to 4 is the true solution. This is the answer. So it is little bit longer, the process, the whole thing is all the way from here, squaring both sides, simplified. You brought it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then applied this quadratic formula into that equation and then solved it, found the value of x. This simplification, whatever it is convenient, you can do it. The whole thing you can substitute in calculator one time, but this is preferable because sometimes this number inside the square root won't be a perfect square. Then we'll get into some decimals and all confusing stuff. So best way is to find this piece first. This one, b squared minus 4ac part, and then simplify. We got 2 answers for x, and out of those 2 solutions, one is fulfilling the condition and the other value is not fulfilling. The one that is fulfilling, that is correct, verified. And following the same procedure, I want you to try this problem. Find the value of x in this radical equation. 2x minus 2 is equal to square root of x plus 2. What is the value of x? Please try. Thank you.